Hello, Maple Monarchs. This week we're going to be learning vocabulary words from the book Snails, written by Monica Hughes. First, let's talk about the word variety. Variety means many different kinds. In the text, we learn that there are many varieties or types of snails all over the world. When I was a kid, I loved to go to the ice cream shop because there was such a wide variety of ice cream flavors to choose from. You may have heard before that it's important to eat a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. But why? Can you think of a good reason? If you can, share it with us using the sentence stem below. Now let's move on to the word characteristic. A characteristic is something that describes a person or a thing. In the book Snails, the author takes time to describe the characteristics of a snail, including its tentacles, its soft, squishy body, and its hard, protective shell. Characteristics can also be used to describe a place. For example, what makes a park a park? You might say some of its characteristics are grass or nature, people enjoying themselves, and maybe even some toys to play on. Characteristics can be used to describe a person or a type of person. For example, what do you think the characteristics are of a good friend? Think of one and share it with us using the sentence stem to the left. Now let's talk about the word consume. Consume, like many words, has more than one meaning. The first meaning we're going to discuss is to eat or drink something, and the second meaning is to use something up. In the book Snails, we learn that snails love to consume leaves and flowers of dead or living plants. What's something you like to consume? People can also consume other things, like energy, for example. Everything plugged into these power strips is consuming energy. What's something in your house that consumes energy? Think about it and share it with us. Our final word today is the word unwelcome. Unwelcome means not wanted. In the book Snails, we learn that snails are often unwelcomed by gardeners in their gardens. For example, this gardener has placed a snail trap in their veggie bed. Unwelcome has a prefix. A prefix adds meaning to a word. In this case, the prefix un adds the meaning not to the word welcome to mean not welcome. Now let's practice. Imagine you came into your bedroom and you found this pile of ants consuming a potato chip that you had dropped on your floor. Would they be welcome or unwelcome? Tell us why. Now let's pretend it's your birthday party. All of your friends came to help you celebrate. Are they welcome or unwelcome? You decide and then share. It's time for a recap. Today we learned the words variety, characteristic, consume, and unwelcome. We also learned how to use the prefix un to add the meaning not to a word. Remember to look for these words this week and see if you can find the prefix un while you're at it. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time.